These days, there are more anti-aging skincare products on the market than ever before. If you're wondering how these products actually work, we're here to help. Hi, I'm Sue, and this is Leslie, our skincare expert, and we're here to give you tips so that you can get the best skin of your life. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and come back often for more great skincare tips. So, Leslie, today we're talking about probably one of the most common signs of aging, wrinkles.
Yeah.
Where do they actually come from? How do they start?
Well, when we talk about where do wrinkles come from, obviously your biological age does have something to do with it. So as your skin ages, it is normal that you're going to start noticing more prominent lines or wrinkles on the face.
Right.
Right. Other things that can affect the appearance of wrinkles are going to be like facial expressions. Those lines will become more set in over time and become more noticeable. And then lifestyle factors, things like smoking, for example, sun exposure, the climate that you live in, will all contribute to more noticeable lines over time.
Okay. So to a degree, wrinkles are inevitable. But there are anti-aging products out there that will help reduce the appearance of them. But there are so many products out there on the market. I mean, how do we know what to even try to find what's best for our skin?
Yeah, it can be really overwhelming, and you're right, there are so many different treatments available on the market. I would say though, when you are shopping, a lot of people tend to think that more expensive products are automatically more effective, and that's not necessarily true. You can have some really good, effective products at every price point. You want to look for a formula that contains a few key anti-aging ingredients, and obviously something that's properly formulated for your skin type.
Okay, so you mentioned ingredients there. What are those key ingredients that we're looking for in a good anti-aging product?
Okay, so there are a few different things that you can look for. The big ones obviously are things like retinoids. Now there can be lots of different types of retinoids, but basically this is an ingredient that comes from vitamin A. And retinoids, most commonly known in cosmetics as retinol, help to promote collagen and elastin formation and stimulate cellular renewal. So that type of ingredient is really good at helping to bring new, fresh skin up to the surface. It also improves skin texture as well as firmness. You can also look for vitamin C. Vitamin C is a really potent antioxidant, and it's going to help you with things like pigmentation, again, skin texture, and overall giving your skin a more uniformed appearance. Okay. You can look for peptides, which are chains of amino acids that help to kind of rebuild the skin's proteins, the building blocks of the skin. Another key component are hydroxy acids, so your AHAs and your BHAs. AHAs are things like glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid. A blend of those acids, or a blend of AHAs, help to improve your cellular renewal, or they are exfoliating. So they help to eliminate dead skin cells that sit on the surface of the skin, which means that you're going to absorb better all of the other moisturizing ingredients that you use on top.
Okay.
Also an ingredient like niacinamide. Niacinamide is actually vitamin B3, and it helps to improve the skin's moisture barrier, so that'll help your skin to retain its natural hydration levels. Niacinamide is also very good for improving skin texture in terms of diminishing pore size and pigmentation as well.
So once I found the product that has the right ingredients for my skin type, what's the next most important thing in using that product?
Yeah, so once you've found a product that you think meets your needs and is designed to work to target the concerns that you personally have, you want to make sure that you're really consistent in using it. And this is where people sometimes fall off the wagon a little bit. They use their products once in a while and don't see the immediate results that they're hoping for. Nothing when it comes to anti-aging works overnight. You have to use the products typically for a minimum of 4 to 12 weeks before you start to see changes in your skin, because your skin does take a minimum of 4 weeks to turn itself over, right? So you want to make sure that you're using a skincare routine on an ongoing, consistent, and regular basis before deciding whether or not something works for you.
Okay. So once we found our right product for our skin type and we're getting into a routine with it, what are some of the other factors that we need to consider with this?
Yeah, so you're right. Once you found that one product, make sure that it's part of a routine. It's never just about one product, right? You want to make sure that you're using a regular routine, including cleansing properly, making sure that you're using an eye treatment, moisturizer, every single day, morning and evening, right? And then you want to consider some of the other lifestyle factors, right? So the number one thing you can do in terms of prevention is, of course, wearing an SPF product. Even on days that are not very sunny, or even if you're not spending a lot of time outside, you do have cumulative sun exposure every single day. So using a high SPF is going to be really important on a long-term basis to preventing wrinkles. And that's another really good point is wearing sunglasses. So sunglasses are great because it's going to prevent you from squinting, which causes deeper lines around the eye areas. Other things like maintaining a healthy diet with lots of nutrients and vitamins, making sure that you're drinking lots of water, avoiding smoking, getting in your exercise to help promote circulation and blood flow. All of those lifestyle factors are going to contribute to having healthier skin over a longer period of time.
Thank you so much, Leslie. Always such great information from you.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Make sure you come back and see us again for more great tips to get the best skin of your life. Subscribe below, like this video, send us your comments and questions because Leslie would love to answer your questions. We'll see you next time.